fans, I'm Darren Hager, Chief Everything Officer and founder at Heyday Footwear, and today we're going to take a look at the all-new Mutant Super Freak. We've had a very successful partnership with Mutant over the last 2 years, and this one is just taking it up another notch with the Super Freak 2.0. You've got black ballistic mesh on the toe and the tongue, red microfiber suede here in the front panel, red air mesh on the back, and black microfiber suede on the back here. The shoe also comes with our new Velcro super strap, which does not use any snaps, so it can't pop off, can't break, no wardrobe malfunctions. Here's the shoe without the strap. You can wear it either way. It's got red oval laces, a terry cloth padded lining, memory foam footbed, our signature snap-on tongue. It's just a super cool shoe. Mutant logo is screen printed on the back. Nice big heel loop, which is what you also can use to run the Velcro super strap through. You will be seeing all of the Team Mutant athletes wearing these very soon. We know this is going to be a major hit for us, as have all of the Mutant shoes. It's super comfortable. They run a half size small, so we suggest ordering one size up on Super Freaks. And here it is, Mutant Super Freak 2.0. It's not hype, it's Heyday.